Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to edit your photos to look more warm tone on Picsart application. And here, let's open the Picsart application. I already opened mine. Please take a look on this bottom line and click this plus button to create the new edit. Click see all to access a photo on your device. Oops, sorry, just scrolling down and find out which photo that you want to edit. Okay, after you find the picture you already generated into the editing tools on a CapCut. So how to make it look more warm, you just need to go into the tools and please go into the adjust. Now you can adjusting the tone of this picture. So for the brightness, let's make it like more brighter, put some light, and the contrast I want to make it more contrast. And to make this picture like looks a little bit more warm, you can just go into the temperature and please slide this tools this into the right side to make this picture looks more warm. You can see here. Alright, so there will be also it could be best if you adjust in the saturations too. Since we want to make it warm, I want to tone up the yellow color into the right side right there. And now you already a warm pictures compared to the raw pictures. To check it, you just need to click and hold the pictures. So this one is the previous previous picture or the origin one, and this one after you finished editing to make it more warm. And that's all the way how to edit your picture to looks more warm on a Picsart application. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.